A bill that is designed to extend the effectivity of the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law is unlikely to be passed before the lower house before Congress goes on Christmas break. Let's find out why from Freddy Abando.
It would have been the right Christmas gift to sustain the government's land reform program if the House approved House Bill 4296, which will continue the issuance of the Notice of Coverage for all private lands covered by the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program. However, the last-minute appeal comes on the eve of the Christmas break of Congress. Although the President certified the bill as urgent, it has not gained progress in the House, while the Senate has approved it on third and final reading in September of this year.
Itong bill na ito, originally ang kanyang time, ang period niya is 2 years, no? Hanggang 2016. Now we have less than 2 years. We only have 1.5 years, no? Although sabi ng DAR, kaya pa nilang tapusin ito within a year's time, no? So ang panawagan namin sana ay, while of course we have other priorities, sana ay payagan naman sana man lang mag-sponsorship ang mga authors, and then maybe we can see dito sa mga priorities ng Congress, BBL, FOI, and so many other priorities, maaari sigurong maisingit, no, ang deliberations, a period of amendments dito sa House Bill 4296.
The Carper Law ended in June of this year. However, it does not mean that land acquisition and distribution is over. The approval of the Malacanang certified bill will empower the Department of Agrarian Reform to issue the notice of coverage for the remainder of the 800,000 hectares of private land, which will ensure the full implementation of the land reform program started by the President's mother, the late President Corazon Aquino.
This is the time to really give a Christmas gift to the people who are large numbers of farmers who need to benefit from the promise of agrarian reform that has been there since 1988.
The approval of the bill will all depend on the support of the majority in the House, since many of its members own big tracts of land. Resistance is coming from House members in the provinces of Samar, Negros Occidental, the Panay provinces, Albay, and even Tawi-Tawi. These provinces are settled with the communist insurgency. Tarlac Congressman Noel Villanueva said CARP is the solution to the insurgency, as proven in Central Luzon, which was the hotbed of the NPA rebellion during the Marcos years.
Hanggat may mga taong naghihirap, marami pa rin ang maiinggan yung... My father was once muntik nang ma-incline dyan dahil nga sa pinaglalaban nilang Agrarian Reform Program. If not for the Agrarian Reform Program, baka wala na akong ama ngayon. Kaya ako naniniwala ako na ugat ng kahirapan ang dahilan ng ang ugat ng kahirapan, siya ang nagbubuyo sa tao, sa mga lalo na sa kanayunan, na sumati. Kung walang hustisya sa kasalukuyang administrasyon, mahanap sila ng kakampi na magbibigay ng iniisip nilang revolutionary justice nga tawag, di ba?
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.